Here are things every reader should do to protect their books, but most don't. Keep your books away from smoke and food. Cigarette smoke, cooking smells, and grease can cling to your pages and covers. Avoid direct sunlight. UV light fades covers and weakens paper over time. Store your books in shaded areas. Control humidity. Too much moisture causes mold and warped pages. Too little makes them brittle. Wash your hands before reading. Oils and dirt transfer easily to paper. Clean hands equals a longer book life. Don't dog-ear your pages. Use bookmarks. Support the spine. Don't force books wide open since it weakens the binding. Hold them gently or use a book stand. Store upright, not slanted. Keep your books straight on shelves, not leaning. Leaning stresses the spines. Dust regularly. Dust can attract pests and discolor the pages. Wipe your shelves and books gently. Avoid sticky notes or tape. Adhesive leaves residue and damages the pages. Use acid-free slips if marking. Handle your rare and collectible books with extra care, so consider protective covers, slipcases, or archival sleeves. Your books have been good to you, so please be good to them.